my grandchildren, from a time long past where the winds carry the whispers of our ancestors. I greet you from a time when the earth embraces our stories. As I write my words on this scroll, in a world reshaped by forces beyond your knowledge of these words, I am careful that you read in the vastness of time. I hope our traditions, our wisdom, and our deep connection with the earth still runs through your veins. The world as I know it, a world where rivers still dance with the reflections of the sun and forests stand as guardians of sacred knowledge. Our people have always lived in harmony with the cycles of nature, honoring the spirit that resides in every living being. Our ceremonies, gratitude for the blessings we have received, and prayers for the well-being of all. I hope, my dear grandchildren, you are clinging to our holy ways. You can still gather outdoors to sing songs that resound in the valleys and share stories that have bridged generations. Our languages, which are as varied and rich as the landscape that feeds them, should not be forgotten. Echoes of our laughter, they carry the rhythm of our voices and the depth of our understanding. In my time, our people faced many difficulties, loss of land and attempts to wipe out our cultures. But do not forget, we are resilient people. From the union, drive our resilience forward by embracing the strength that comes from understanding and mutual respect. Spirits of the earth, animals, and our ancestors are watching you. I pray that you will find a way to heal the wounds of our world and restore it to health. Let the rivers clear, may its forests flourish, and its creatures roam freely once again. As time goes by, remember that you are not alone. You are the heirs of a legacy woven into the fabric of these lands. Go back in time and draw strength from the stories of those who walked before you. Find inspiration in the struggles they have overcome and the victories they have achieved. Our lifestyle, my heart swells with the hope that our traditions and our love for this land will continue. Hold on to our teachings and let them guide you as you navigate the challenges and opportunities of your age. The voices of our ancestors are still carried by the wind, and their souls dance in the firelight. You are the continuation of our holy house, a bridge between the past and the future. In my time, our connection with the world was a guiding light, a beacon of harmony that permeated all aspects of life. I believe you continue on this path by nurturing the soil that sustains you and learning from its ancient whispers. I believe your hearts beat in rhythm with the heartbeats of our planet. The challenges we faced have certainly made us into a fabric of strength and stamina. Our struggles were not in vain, because they have created an unbreakable spirit in us. In you, who is not afraid to face difficulties, I imagine a generation armed with the knowledge of our common past and the belief in shaping a better world. Celebrating the diversity of our world, I imagine you embrace the unique bonds that every culture weaves into the glorious fabric of humanity. Unity is strength, and I believe in valuing and respecting each other's differences. Learn to find strength in the shared values that hold you together. In finishing, sending my love and blessings through the ages. May the Great Spirit bless you and your journey as purpose. May it be filled with courage and a deep connection with all that exists. With love and hope, if you like it, it is very valuable for me to subscribe.